Good morning from sunny, hot Arizona. I'm Alene, I'm a jewelry designer, and I wanted to do just a short video here to talk about my Patriot collection. I designed this, yes, because of the 250th, that's part of it, but actually I had started designing this last year because I wanted some pieces that I guess glorified the United States and helped us appreciate what we have here. So everything I've done, I've designed with that in mind. Now I've got a few that I'm wearing right now, along with my Gulf of America t-shirt. So I want to show you these. This piece right here is done in turquoise. This is Nevada turquoise, and it's a huge piece, and it's got the "We the People." It's hard to read here in this location, but "We the People" across the top. So that's one of the pendant designs that I finished. I have another one as well finished with the "We the People" with a different gem. But this shows you kind of what's available. The earrings that I'm wearing, try to get close so you can see. Basically, here, I'll take it off, then you can see. It's a heart. This particular one is a heart. But then the gems, of course, red, white, and blue. Hello, USA. This is actually coral and lapis and moonstone. So, and there are several variations of this as well. I also have been working on cuffs, and I'm wearing 4 of them right now. Obviously, normally I wouldn't be wearing 4, but I wanted to show them off. These are, these two are both "We the People." Let me take this one off so you can see. This one is a "We the People" with a preamble in silver against a copper background. This one is all done in copper with some silver touches to it. Beautiful cuffs. The other two that you see here, this one is Freedom. Again, part of my collection with the USA flag on either side. And this again, copper and silver. And the last one here is pure silver. This is sterling silver. And this is "We the People," again with the flag. And then it's got the, this is that's a garnet gemstone on there. I couldn't remember if I put garnet or ruby. Sometimes I'm using rubies. So that gives you an idea. And then I do have one bolo tie finished. I've got a few more coming. This one is actually done. This is in lapis, and this is an eagle shape. Very similar to some that are coming. I've got one coming in red jasper and another one in lapis that will be surrounded in silver. So anyway, the collection is online, and I will be highlighting it down below so you can see. And if you have any suggestions of things you'd like to see, I do have a few mega pieces with earrings. I also have a few earrings done with just Freedom, and a few earrings done with just "We the People." So I think I've kind of covered the gamut there, and I hope there's some pieces there that interest you. And I so appreciate you listening and following and liking and all of the stuff you're supposed to do. Thanks again. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend.